street. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. No one else to do.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing an unboxing review on OShiney's hair company from Amazon. If you guys would like to purchase this wig, the link will be down in the description box below. If you guys are new here, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe because it's free and it doesn't cost you a thing. And I'm just going to go hop right into the video. Today we have OShiney's hair, guys. This is the box that it came in. It is a 20-inch wig, okay? This is a 13x4, so it can be parted anyways in the front. Also, the knots did not come bleached, but this is a deep wave, okay? So let's get into it. Okay. So automatically I see that they sent me a wig cap, which I love because I get to install it. I like that they sent me a wig cap because I don't have to go to the store, like I said. Also, they did send me some lashes. I'm probably not going to put them on, but at least they send you some lashes so you can look good with your wig, okay? Alright, so, and the final product, which will be the wig, guys, okay? Obviously, they sent it in a net, so I'm going to go ahead and get that out for you guys. Alright, so, let's get into it. Ooh. Ooh, hold up. I actually might be wearing this pretty soon. Like, let's get into this curl. Like, hold on, y'all. Let's get into this curl pattern. We not even gonna miss that because at this point it's giving ooh la la. Let's get into it. Okay, so like I said, the knots did not come bleached, okay? So that's something that you would have to bleach if you wanted it bleached. It does come with baby hairs. Yeah, it does come with baby hairs. If you like baby hairs, that's good because who wants a curly hair and don't want baby hairs? I don't. Also, it does tell you how to wash the wig, guys. So y'all need to do that before putting this on, before y'all be patting y'all head in the middle of the store, because I feel you, girl, on patting your head, but if you ain't washed that wig, then we know why. We know why. Okay? Also, this hair is nice, like, y'all. It's the curl for me. Like, you can probably wet this and get away with it, like, being wet and sleek if you want it to be. And then you can do it like a side part, y'all. Like, whoo. Okay. OShiney, y'all showing out. Because at this point, you making me want to put this wig on right now. Like, it's like, y'all, it ain't too thick and it ain't too thin either, y'all. Also, it comes with comb attachments. And you know I love a good comb attachment because I don't want my wig coming off in public. And it comes with straps on the side. So you're able to strap on the side, guys, if you need to strap. Just to be more secure with your wigs. It does come with straps. So that's great. Also, this wig is not shedding as I'm running my hands through this wig, okay? It is not shedding. This hair, it don't shed. It don't shed, okay? Hold on, y'all. I need y'all to get into this wig because I'm about to put this thing on now, like, baby, now, okay? Also, I would like to say, make sure when you bleach the knots of this wig, make sure y'all use some purple shampoo because you can tell, like, these knots are, like, super dark, like, y'all, super dark. Make sure y'all do that. Okay? Alright. So y'all make sure y'all check this company out. Y'all make sure y'all hit them up and let them know they do have a good response time. They will respond to you quick, fast. So don't worry about that. Also, make sure y'all follow them on Instagram. OShiney hair on Amazon. I will drop their Instagram below, so y'all make sure y'all check them out. They do have dope wigs, so check them out, guys. Okay, hit them up, let them know that you want a wig, and let them know your girl T sent you again. Okay, cause baby, look, your girl about to have her a whole wig, like, and it's gonna be on. You could dye this too, y'all. I seen on the box that it's dyeable. Okay, you can dye this wig. Okay, you can dye it. Like I said, mine is 20 inches. Beautiful 20-inch. Beautiful. Like, your girl about to put this on. Make sure y'all check them out. This wig was actually it was like one something, okay guys. So this was a quality wig. Like I said, when you get these wigs, you get what you pay for. I will be letting y'all know the update on how this wig, like if it's shedded or anything, because like I said, you never really know how these wigs are until you bleach it. You know, you putting product in it and stuff. So once I put this thing on, I'm gonna let you guys know how we did so far. So like I said, y'all go check them out. Drop some comments below in my comment section. Also subscribe. Hit that ding button because you want to see more videos from me. So go ahead. I will be uploading more and more. So you guys check that out and make sure you check me out. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video.